Okay, what I'm going to do, post a quick video how I use my heel, how I drag my heel, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to link to someone in their Impreza, and they are doing the same thing. Not only are they doing the same thing, they've worn a hole in their rubber floor mat, you can see it, and I've worn a hole in my carpet mat. Now from very beginning I said if you want to use your heel, use your heel. If you want to use your whole leg, use your whole leg. There's no right or wrong answer, and whatever works best for you, that's the right answer. Okay, whatever works best. Maybe you want to mix it up. In traffic, use your heel. When you're going faster, use your whole leg. It makes no difference. Whatever works best. But it would be so wrong for me to say never use your heel and don't do this, because it's clear from very beginning I've shown so many different methods to do this, okay? And the only way I would say this is wrong is if I had no idea what was going on, okay? If I had no idea what was going on and someone said I use my heel, maybe in my head I would think I plant my heel on the ground and use it as a gas pedal, but that is clearly not the case. It's not a fixed point. I can drag my heel around and still have it stabilize my foot. Alright, so check it out, and I'll put a link in the description or the comments.